How to convert YouTube video to PowerPoint slides. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So in order to insert your YouTube video onto your PowerPoint slides, first of all, launch your PowerPoint. Then here you will see Insert. Click onto your tab of Insert. On your top right corner, you will see Video. Click onto it. And here choose Online Video. After a couple times, you will see a page like this. In here, you can either search for YouTube keyword right here or just paste the embedded code here. Let's go ahead and find out our embedded code. To do that, let's open up our YouTube. Click onto any video that you would like to insert. Right-click onto the screen, then click on Copy Embedded Code. Once the code has been copied, go back to your PowerPoint slide. Then here, simply paste the code. Once done, click on this arrow that means Insert. And after a couple of seconds, PowerPoint will add your media. You can also resize it and place it in the center. Now double click it in order to play it. Just click on button.
Can you verify your home address?
And just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe.